lots of accidents. And everybody says sorry and sorry again. Lots of fun. Let's get on board.
What is that face?
What a beautiful day. The sun is shining. The birds are chirping.
Oh my goodness. Oh, stop. Stop that.
Because today is shoe inspection day
Here.
on the